So the jaws of capitalism are alive and well and healthy here in Lisbon. So this is what used to be a public laundromat. Not a laundromat, these are hand wash tubs actually, where the women would come in olden times. And I got to go through this fencing material. And this used to be a public laundry. And I suspect it's about to become a condo. And someone's going to be making a lot of money on that. That you can be sure. Continue my pan here. I've got a little further, got to get further away from the fence, and so that's where you're. Anyway, and then pass the fencing off of the jaws and the rest of Lisbon. My grocery store is way up there at the top of the hill. I'm just coming back from shopping today. Anyway, there was one lady I met at the laundromat, Lavendrew, I think they called it, and her name was Fernanda. And I don't know where she's very old and didn't look like she had very much money. I don't know where she's going to be doing her laundry now. This is Gary signing off from Lisbon.